Everyone says AI will replace your team, but the smartest companies are doing the exact opposite and making more money because of it. Hey everyone, I'm Mohammed, founder of MDigitalDev. Today we're diving into something that's going to completely change how you think about deploying AI in your business. You've probably heard the warnings. AI chatbots are taking jobs, they're not reliable, they'll ruin customer relationships. But here's what nobody's telling you. Those warnings are actually pointing to a massive business opportunity if you understand them correctly. In the next 9 minutes, I'm going to show you why treating your AI like a team member is the fastest way to waste money, and how the companies winning right now are using AI for what it's actually good at. Let's go. Last month, Meredith Whittaker from Signal made headlines saying something that sounds obvious, but most founders completely ignore. AI chatbots are not your friends. She wasn't being poetic. She was pointing out that people, business owners, customers, team members, are anthropomorphizing AI. We're treating it like it has feelings, reliability, and loyalty. And when we do that, we make terrible business decisions. Here's the thing. This isn't an ethics issue. It's a strategy issue. When you treat an AI like a team member, you expect it to make judgment calls independently, understand context the way humans do, stay consistent without supervision, take ownership of outcomes. AI does none of those things well. And the moment you expect it to, your automation strategy falls apart. According to a 2024 McKinsey study, 72% of organizations that over-relied on a single AI model for critical tasks experienced significant failures within their first year of deployment. That's not because AI is bad. It's because they forgot what AI actually is, a tool. Think of it this way. You wouldn't hire a hammer to manage your sales team. But that's exactly what happens when you deploy an AI chatbot as your primary customer relationship manager without human oversight. So if AI isn't a team member, what is it? It's a specialist. A very good one, but with a very specific job description. The companies crushing it right now, and I mean actually seeing ROI within 90 days, are using AI for 3 specific things. First, sorting and filtering. Your AI can read 500 emails and pull out the 12 that actually need human attention. It can qualify 200 leads and hand you the 40 that match your ideal customer profile. This isn't glamorous, but it saves your team 8 to 10 hours a week. Second, repetitive, low-stakes decisions. Your AI can book appointments, send follow-up emails based on rules you set, and format customer data. Again, boring. But a HubSpot study from 2024 shows that businesses automating these tasks see a 35% increase in lead response time, meaning faster closures and more revenue. Third, pattern detection. AI is incredible at spotting trends you'd miss. It can analyze customer conversations and tell you exactly which objections lead to lost deals. It can scan your website analytics and show you where drop-off is highest. But here's the critical part. You still make the decision about what to do with that data. At MDigitalDev, we help businesses with exactly this kind of automation. We're not replacing people. We're eliminating the work that wastes their time so they can focus on what actually closes deals and builds relationships. The difference? Massive. Clients we've worked with see their teams go from 60% busy work to 60% actual revenue-generating activity within 30 days. Here's where most businesses get it wrong. They deploy an AI chatbot as their first line of customer contact. The bot is trained to sound friendly, to remember previous conversations, to make promises. 6 months later, the bot has made 47 promises it can't keep. It's told customers things that contradict your pricing. It's qualified leads that don't actually fit your product. And now your team is spending twice as much time cleaning up the mess than they would have spent just handling the inquiries manually. Why does this happen? Because that chatbot wasn't treated like a tool. It was treated like an employee. Here's the rule. Any decision that affects your relationship with a customer should have a human in the loop. That doesn't mean your customer talks to a human immediately, but it means a human verifies every significant commitment before it's made. For example, AI can qualify a lead. A human confirms it and decides the next step. AI can draft a customer email. A human reads and sends it. AI can identify a refund request. A human approves it. This layering approach is what separates companies saving money from companies throwing money at AI and seeing nothing back. According to Gartner research from 2024, 58% of companies that implemented AI without human oversight reported decreased customer satisfaction within the first 6 months. The companies that kept humans in control, 71% reported improved satisfaction and reduced support costs. Okay, so treating AI as a tool, not a team member. Why does this actually make you more money? Think about risk. If your AI is a team member, you're betting your business on it. If your AI is a tool, you're spreading risk across multiple systems and your human judgment. Let me give you a concrete example. Say you're running a lead generation operation. You use AI to scrape and organize prospect lists, draft personalized outreach emails, track responses, and score engagement. Your human team reviews email drafts before sending, makes final qualification calls on warm leads, handles objection conversations. Result? Your AI handles 80% of the mechanical work. Your team focuses on the 20% that actually closes deals. Productivity goes up, costs stay flat or go down, customer satisfaction stays high because humans are still in relationship-critical moments. At MDigitalDev, this is literally the framework we've built for our clients. We call it Supervised Automation, and the numbers speak. Our clients see an average 40% reduction in manual labor and a 23% increase in conversion rates within the first quarter. But here's the deeper advantage: flexibility. If your AI is a tool and the tool isn't working, you swap it out. You're not reorganizing your entire team or retraining processes. You just change the tool. Companies that treat AI as employees, they're locked into one vendor, one model, one approach. The companies treating it as tools, they're experimenting, iterating, staying ahead of the curve. So how do you actually do this? 3 steps. First, audit your work. What are your people spending time on that generates zero revenue? Sorting emails, entering data, scheduling, writing templated messages. Write all of that down. That's your automation shortlist. Second, map the decision layers. For each task, ask, what decisions does this task require? If the answer is none, it's just mechanical, it's automation ready. If the answer is judgment about what matters to the customer, that needs a human. Third, build with checkpoints. Your AI handles the mechanical work and surfaces it to a human for judgment. The human decides. You don't skip that step, even if it feels slow. Speed without accuracy is just expensive failure. The companies winning right now, they're moving fast, but they're building in human oversight. They're treating AI like a tool that makes their people smarter, not like a replacement that's supposed to work alone. Comment below, what's the one task on your team that's eating the most time but generating zero revenue? That's probably where your AI opportunity is hiding. Subscribe so you don't miss our breakdown next week on how to actually measure AI ROI. Too many companies deploy this stuff blindly. We're going to show you exactly what metrics matter. And if you're ready to build a real automation strategy for your business, head over to MDigitalDev.com. We help companies figure out exactly which AI tools fit their business, how to deploy them without breaking your workflows, and how to measure what's actually working. Link in the description. Next week, we're breaking down the 3 metrics that actually predict AI ROI. And spoiler alert, it's not what most people think. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Catch you in the next one.